Right guys, so this weekend from the 1st of June, Iceland are giving away ice lollies for 1 pence a box. That's right guys, so you've got all the rocket lollies, you've got the fake twister lollies, everything that you can think of. What Iceland usually sell at, I think, the £1 a box, they're going to be giving them away. The first 10,000 boxes that are sold in Iceland and the food warehouse are going to be 1p. Guys, all you need to do is scan your bonus card. So if you haven't got a bonus card, you need to get a bonus card. Go and stock up from this Sunday, the 1st of June. Get yourself in there, fill the freezer up for the kids. Listen, 10 boxes, 10p. Absolute bargain. Guys, so it starts this Sunday, the 1st of June. Get yourselves down and get your 1p boxes of ice creams. Thank me later.